Hello dear friends. Today we are going to know about the site developed by Department of English, Sri Ganesh Mahavidyalaya, Navargaon. Uh, so first of all, we will see the website. The URL of the website is https colon slash sites.google.com slash view slash engdmvn. Eng stands for English, dmvn stands for the Danish Mahavidyalaya Navargaon. Now what you have to do is just click the link which we share to your group and your Google Classroom. You just click it on the link and you will be redirected to this page. This is the home page of Department of English. Here you will able to know about the department, the information regarding department. These are the objectives of the department. This is the home tab. Now here, this is the menu bar where you will find all the details regarding this website. So click on faculty. You will come to know about the faculty. These are the faculty members in the department. The first faculty, Dr. L.C. Ujede, is assistant professor and head, and with his qualification is given here. The second faculty is myself, Dr. Sirsagar. So in this department, we both are the two faculties are there. The next feature of this website is courses. This is click on courses. You will be come to know able to know these are the courses provided by the department. We have BA for all the semesters, all the 6 semesters. We have we have BA in compulsory English, that is the subject. BA in English literature for all the semester, and BSc, this compulsory English is for only 2 semesters, that is semester 1 and semester 2. The next thing is syllabus. Here the syllabus is given. This is for BA, FY, SY and TY. FY stands for first year, SY stands for second year, TY stands for third year. If you click here, you will be redirected to the Google Drive where you will able to know the syllabus. This is the syllabus prescribed by the Gondwana University. It is made by, developed by and colored by Department of English. This is your textbook and this is the syllabus for both the semesters. In the same way, the syllabus is given for SY, TY, BSc, FY both the semesters, and English literature FY, SY, and TY. So in this way you can see this syllabus, you can download this syllabus, you can write this syllabus, and this is after the syllabus, the textbooks, the name of the textbook, the reference books are given here for your study. The next thing is more. So in more, the first one is question papers. Friends, these are the list of question papers. All the things are hyperlinked. If you click here, you will be redirected to the question papers. So all the things are hyperlinked over here. All these question papers are for BA. Here you can see compulsory English. Here BA same 1, same 2, same 3, same 4 and same 5. Same 6 question paper is not available because last there was the first time university was going to conduct the examination for 6th semester, but unfortunately due to corona pandemic it was not possible, and as you all know, there was MCQ type examination. In compulsory English again, there are question papers for BSc same 1 and same 2, and if you go here and down, so you scroll down, you will come to know there are these are the hyperlink given for question papers which you will be able to see for English literature. Let me click one for you. So I clicked on one. The net is a little bit slow. We have to wait for that. Now you can see over here. These are the question papers for winter 17. As your syllabus was there for winter 17, winter 18, winter summer 18, winter 18, and winter 19. So in this way, you will be able to get your question papers, the format of the question papers, marking system, and all the things through this website. So the student of all the year, first year, second year, final year, BA, and first year BSc, they will able to see the question papers. The next feature of this website is all the video lectures are combined over here, and the hyperlink are given. These are class-wise list. If you click here, same one, you will be redirected to each other. Let me click for you. Let us see, this is English literature, same 3 ELT. Now it will be directly went to YouTube playlist, YouTube channel. Friends, these are the contents which are made by the faculty, and it will be available on YouTube. So in this way, for the same, for the all the semesters, the hyperlink are given. You have to just click on it, and you will be redirected to that particular YouTube channel or playlist in the YouTube channel. The next feature of this website is important books. The books are given in PDF format here. See, these are some of the content where ebooks are given. Ebooks are provided. Some books are there for English literature, some books for poetry, some for drama, novel, non-fiction, biography, autobiography, grammar and vocabulary, and communication skills. Let me do one for you. Let me click on novel. I clicked on novel. After clicking novel, you will be able to see here there are 3 folders. Okay, so there are 3 folders. One is Agatha Christie, second is Chetan Bhagat, and third one is Paulo Coelho. So click on Agatha Christie, you will be able to see all the novels written by Agatha Christie. These are the novels written by Agatha Christie. Now, what you have to do is, if you want to read this novel, just click here and double click here, and you will be able to see all the novel, entire novel in PDF format. You can download it, and or you can read it online. So in this way, these are the genres given by of the English literature: poetry, drama, novel, fiction, non-fiction, biography, autobiography, grammar and vocabulary, and communication skills. So according to your choice, according to your need, you can uh, read these books which are provided by the department. Now next one is other reading material. Now friends, the the department is English and it is concerned with language, we have some of the blogs. So blogs also provided here. If you get a spare time, you can read this blog. You have to click here, over here, and you will directly uh, go to the particular blog. See, this is the blog where you can find this information written by particular faculty. These are another. The next and last feature of this website is facilities. These are the facilities provided by the department. As you all know, you all are acquainted with these facilities. So in this way, your work is made easy by the department. It will be easy if you use it, if you go through it, and the link will be shared to you in your WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching this, and be in touch with the department. If any query regarding this, you can call me, message me, or our HOD, Dr. Dedi sir, uh, on our personal WhatsApp number or in our group too.